Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update.
As per the philosophy of our founder, Mr. Jamshedji Tata, he used to write letters to even his son, Dorabji Tata, and he used to mention that we need to have enough playgrounds in the city, we need to plant enough trees in the city, and we need to ensure that we give enough amenities to our citizens of Jamshedpur, that they get the opportunity to play, become physically fitter and mentally more stronger. So from there onwards, the philosophy of sports is a way of life came into Tata Steel, and since then Tata Steel has been consistently involved with sports at various different levels. I have always loved sports. I love playing cricket, I love playing badminton, running, cycling, football, everything. I have always been extremely passionate about sports. So while I was in XLRI, I was thinking if there is some way I could get into sports, but because I did not have a formal degree in sports or I did not have a network in sports, it was difficult for me to get into the sporting fraternity. Then I got into Tata Steel. I was in procurement department for 2 years. And then I got to know that Tata Steel is venturing into ISL. We are buying a club called as JFC. So that's when I decided that I need to get into this. I spoke to the higher management in Tata Steel and I convinced them that I'm interested to work into sports department. So after working for 2 years in procurement department, I got promoted in marketing and sales because I was so much passionate of getting into sports. I asked my high management team to shift me to sports. I had to even let go of my promotion of marketing and sales. Probably that's when our higher management realized that I am so much passionate about sports, and that's why I think they considered and I got to get into sports. I look after Tata Archery Academy. This has been a champion academy in India for archery. We have produced many Olympians, gold medalists at various different international levels like Deepika Kumari. She has been the best female archer in India for quite a few years now. We have Dronacharya awardee Miss Purnima Mehto. She is the coach here. We have one of the best coaches of India, Mr. Dharmendra Tiwari, with us. So I get to manage all of these elite coaches, the elite archers. My job is to provide that platform, that infrastructure, that technical team to the archers, so that their performance improves even further and they are eventually able to bring medal at Olympics level for India.
जब मैं 9 साल की थी तब मैंने आर्चरी शुरू किया, फिर वहाँ ISWP से शुरू किया था। ISWP यहाँ पे ट्रेनिंग सेंटर है। इंडियन राउंड से शुरू किया था। तो आइडल तो दीपिका दी थी, जिनके बारे में रोज़ सुनते थे कि दीपिका दी, दीपिका कुमारी है, तो उनके जैसा बनना चाहती थी, उनके जैसा ट्रेनिंग लेना चाहती थी, इसलिए यहाँ आई। टाटा स्टील अच्छा लगता है कि पूरे सिटी को उसने डेवलप करना चाहा है। हमको बेस्ट से बेस्ट फैसिलिटी देना चाहते हैं और उनकी फैसिलिटी देख के हमको लगता है कि अगर वो हमें इतना दे रहे हैं तो हमें भी अंदर से लगता है कि हम भी इनके लिए कुछ अचीव करें, ताकि हमारा भी नाम हो, टाटा स्टील का भी नाम हो। जैसे दीपिका दी, जैन भैया करते आए हैं, हम उनको आगे ले जाना चाहते हैं।
I work with Jamshedpur Football Club. I look after the stadium operations during the tournament as well as I look after the procurement aspect of Jamshedpur FC.
मैंने फुटबॉल इसलिए चुना क्योंकि मुझे गोलकीपिंग पोजीशन में बॉल पकड़ना थोड़ा पसंद था। मतलब सब पैर से खेलते थे, मैं पकड़ना थोड़ा पसंद करता था। तो मेरे भैया ने इनकरेज किया, तो मैं जितना उसमें चलता गया, अंदर जाता गया, मेरे को और मज़ा आता गया, तो इसलिए मैंने गोलकीपर पोजीशन चुना। टाटा स्टील का योगदान से ही सर हम यहाँ हैं अभी, वरना अगर वो TFA नहीं वो इनॉग्रेट करते तो फिर शायद हम लोग इधर होते भी नहीं।
17 different training centers where different sports, 17 different sports are being played. We have 4 academies with us: Tata Football Academy, Tata Archery Academy, Naval Tata Hockey Academy, and Tata Steel Adventure Foundation, wherein the boarding, fooding, all the facilities, all the necessary technical training, everything along with education is covered by Tata Steel itself. Apart from that, I have set up a sports science setup, which is High Performance Center. We provide them psychological support, we provide them nutritional support, we provide them strength and conditioning support, we provide them sports physios. So that's an entire team of HPC working with the athletes of Archery Academy, of Football Academy, or Naval Tata Hockey Academy, or even JFC team, Jamshedpur Football Club. So apart from the sports facilities which we have in Jamshedpur, we have feeder centers in 3 or 4 locations where Tata Steel setup is there, in Joda, in West Bokaro, in Noa Mundi. So these feeder centers basically catch the athletes young, right? That's the philosophy, catch them young. We train them to a certain level in those feeder centers, and those feeder centers then feed in the best quality students to our academies. We take the boys or the girls at the age of 8 or 9 in the feeder centers, and then we bring them in our academies at the age of 11 or 12, and from then we start training them. TSF also has an academy wherein they again catch the young boys and train them to become the elite players of sports climbing. Sports climbing is going to be a sport in Olympics 2020, so that is where TSF is targeting. तो जब मैं XLRA में था या पहले मैंने लाइफ में कभी मैंने सोचा नहीं था कि मैं सीरियसली कभी स्पोर्ट्स डिपार्टमेंट या स्पोर्ट्स में एक्टिवली स्पोर्ट्स मैनेजमेंट में काम कर पाऊँगा. आई हैड नो क्लू. मैं बस सपने देखता था इस चीज़ के कि एक बार मेरे को मिल जाए तो प्रॉबेबली आई विल रिलिश इट फॉर माई एंटायर लाइफ, एंड आई एम फॉर्चुनेट टू हैव गॉट दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी एंड आई एम thoroughly enjoying it. An athlete might become a champion at Olympics level or at an international level, and the world will recognize that. When you get that feeling inside, you automatically start getting motivated, and the fundamental is that these athletes should grow and become world-class athletes and represent India at international level.